Alright, our box from Fendi and Ruelala is here. So we're gonna get right into it. Um, I wanted to do it uh, first and give it the attention that it deserves. And yes, it is a baseball cap in blue jeans, shorts, and a t-shirt out by the pool day. So let's get into it. Some kind of wine stuff from Ruelala, invoice from Ruelala, and the bag. I hope it doesn't look like a fake pouch on the strap. Oh no, it does, guys. This it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. That leather's just, it's beautiful. Um, the leather is beautiful. Fendi tag, and it just says Fendi. That's fine, Fendi. There we go. And I'm sorry I didn't get dolled up. It's wash my hair, get things done kind of day, and got my hair cut, and just don't feel like fooling with all that stuff and everything. So, got a nice dust bag. Show that in just a minute. What else we got in? Ooh. Nice. You guys will love this one. I mean, it's pretty. It really is pretty. Got a little wonky in the shipping. But that will hang right out with some stuffing. And it just has the Fendi logo here. This is a micro suede, big interior. Big, big, big. Big interior. So, yes. She's beautiful, not a scratched neck to parcel anything anywhere other than the dent in shipping. Like I said, that ought to hang out, but and just to show let's take the straps off the handles. Isn't she gorgeous? And you can get her for $100 less than I got mine right now. And I got mine about $450, $500 cheaper than a few days before. So, but I think the price it is now, unless I'm mistaken, there were only 2 left. It's probably bottom price. But wow, she bangs. That's a lot of bang for your buck. And very versatile bag, particularly for travel, just anything. I take a lot of packages to the post office. This will do it for me. This will definitely do it for me. Let me put this thing up. Let's move this out of the way. There. What do you think? What do you think? Okay. That thing covers me up. You hear me? Wow. Oh, now that's one big hunk of leather, honey. I mean, smooth hunk of leather. I'm happy about this one. Yes, sir, indeed. That'd be the bag you need. So, make sure you go on Ruelala and, or either Guilt, the sister company, and purchase yours today, while they still have some. And, guys, I can't tell you enough. It is just, it really is just one big open space. There literally is nothing on the inside. There is a little tag, a Fendi tag. But y'all, this is just buttery goodness. I mean, it's beautiful. Mhm. Mhm. I gotta say, she is a keeper. I was afraid that it would look like a big book bag, in which in a way it does. But this is so cool. This is, but in a cool way. You can do this with, you can do anything with this. You can like twirl it up. You can put some jewelry and stuff on it, and just like make it kapow. And or you can just like go all kind of what is that, minimalist chic, you know, and go with that girl. And here I can just wear this apron. Oh my god. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm getting carried away. But y'all, that is one big bag. And I'm one little girl with this big old bag. You know. So, I mean, literally. I know that's not a high fashion to do, but y'all, I could not resist it anyway. You know it's funny. You know it is. Look at this. I wore this thing as a dress. Oh my god. You gotta have fun with it. Okay. So, yeah. One joke at a time. You guys have a great day.